Utkarsh Rai, leadership coach, former MD of an IT MNC, author, actor. Today I am going to talk about how to take jobs sincerely but not seriously. If you want any topic to be discussed, please write it in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Are you the one who takes pride in working 24/7, or are you the one who believes that the career growth will come by working harder and longer? Are you the one who wants to be physically or virtually visible in front of the manager for a better appraisal? Or are you the one who boasts responding to emails at odd hours? You are taking your job quite seriously. In my 3 decades of career, having interacted with thousands of professionals, I have seen many of them are having the same or similar mindset. And this is called Parkinson's Law. Work tends to fill the available time to its completion. So if I have a work which can be done in 1 hour and I have 2 hours with me, it tends to take 2 full hours. Certainly, there are times in the project when it is critical where one has to work longer hours, be it few days in a month, few months in a year, or if you are starting a new venture, it would be in the initial phase. But the problem happens when this practice becomes a habit. And we started to miss out many good things in life. Many people tend to blame their manager or their job for such longer hours. But problem lies with us, not with the job, not with the manager. My first realization came in the year 2000 when I was an engineering manager in Bangalore, responsible for a project, which was part of a bigger project being driven from Chicago. One day, Vice President from Chicago came down for a 2-day visit to review my project. After all the meetings were over, on the second day, we had a team dinner. In the dinner, he took me to a corner and said, "I wanted to say you something." I became alarmed, and then he said, "Relax. Since yesterday, I am watching you, and you reminded me of myself when I was at your age. Energetic, on top of everything, ambitious to grow. Now I am going to retire. I have missed a lot of life experiences. Whenever I wanted to strike a conversation with my kids, I have hardly spent time with them to have any meaningful conversation. I used to be sports, and there are many family events which were important, and I prioritized project completion, customer meetings over that one." I was puzzled and I said, "You are a vice president. You have achieved so much in life." And he said, "I could have achieved all these things even by spending few hours less in my job." And then he said one thing: job is a subset of life. Don't make it a superset. I changed. Since then, together with my job, I have written many books. I have been to numerous countries to learn culture and history. I have spent quality time with my growing up kids and aged parents, read books and regained fitness. Then what happened to my career? Honestly speaking, my career did better. Happiness in life reflects in job performance too. I learned to work sincerely from my German colleagues. They don't work longer hours. They will work 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours depending upon the project, and they are very efficient. So in this pandemic time, a message coming from the Siemens CEO: a new leadership style is going to focus on the outcome and not how many hours one is spent in the office. So here are my 3 tips. First, know what is important in your life and prioritize it. Second, take time offs. Don't accumulate leave for leave encashment, but utilize it for life experiences. And third, be self-disciplined. I have seen many CEOs who have blocked calendars, morning and evening few hours, which is their me time, be for fitness, family time, self-development. It doesn't mean that they will not call you if there is something urgent, but it also means that they will only call when there is something urgent. Steve Jobs said, "Thinking about death empowers me to use my time in the most meaningful way possible." So, take your job sincerely but not seriously to live a meaningful life. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.